Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Ed, and these are knives that I get myself with my money and give you my take on them. And I am so psyched to tell you about this one here. I haven't been this excited for a Civivi in a while, to be honest with you. But this is the Civivi Pentad. And oh my God, they really blew me away with this one. I was a little apprehensive as usual when it comes to finger grooves. I wear an extra large size glove. This could not fit any more comfortably, and same goes for reverse. Plus you got a big finger choil there too. And what really does it for me on this one is, I mean, look at that blade. Man, that is beautiful. This is a German Nitro V, and the blade is 3.48 inches. Overall, we're looking at 8.3 inches. And closed is 4.82, I believe. And it's really nice. You got G10 here, which is really nice G10. Plenty of access to this milled or jimped liner. I usually come around this way, and you got the smooth ball bearing action. The thing just flies out. Look at that beautiful hollow ground. Man, and what really sold it for me on this one, once I got it in my hand, it reminded me of the ground knife I just recently got, and that is this Stnwah Padre. Stnwah Padre is amazing. I got this one off of Blade Binge, so keep your eye out if you are looking for one of those, and you, because some of these sites like White Mountain Knives, they will not, the seller or the company will not offer a discount code. But if you can find it on, you know somewhere else like that, like on Blade Binge, man, go for it. But this is a great knife. I was going to consider doing a review of it, but I'm sure it's been reviewed plenty. And I can't recommend this one enough. It is just really awesome. Now, granted, you got the, you don't have the thumb stud or a flipper, but you have the thumb hole. I know a lot of people that I hand this off to show it off to, and they have the hardest time opening this. And it's because they're not using that 45-degree flick. They're like seeing this hole here, and they're like, oh, come on. Same with the front flipper. They struggle because they're not doing it right, but it works just fine. But as you can see, very comparable in the way the shape. You got the big belly here on this. This is hollow ground. That's flat ground. But Nitro V is good stuff, and you still have that same kind of curve. And just as a comparable option of size, I have the lightweight Manix 2, and yeah, it's in that ballpark. But man, they really did a beautiful job on this one, and it's so smooth, perfectly lined up. You got the recessed screws there, and you can put the clip on the other side for lefty. There's a little bit of jimp in there. It works just perfectly. It's right there at that pivot point, so it's, I didn't even try that. It's just push button, it flipped open. Can I fail it? Not yet. But it's you got plenty of access to that thumb stud, so if you want to get that, and these are nice thumb studs. Look at that. But yeah, flicks right open, so smooth. I'm loving it. Comes out authority. And whew, I handed this to somebody, and they were like, and they accidentally like touched a piece of paper with it, sliced the paper right in half. But yeah, it is screaming sharp, and you can see the beautiful edge that Civivi put on that. They always do. But yeah, I'm just in love with this one, and I'm so glad, because I was kind of getting a little stale on Civivi there. I was actually, you know, going for their brother brands and other stuff sometimes, but this one is awesome. I think you'll dig it. I know I sure do, and I'll leave a link in the description there if you want to see the actual sizes that I mentioned, and also, you know, links that you can get it. Right now it's out of stock on White Mountain Knives, but I know it's available on Amazon. I will leave the links, and I hope you liked the video. If you would, hit that like. Lets me know it's worthwhile that I'm doing what I'm doing. And yeah, get you one last look-see at this here. It's got a very nice strong tip. It's a thin blade, but man, it's nice and wide and that hollow grind, and you can just feel just that little bit there. Whew. That is a slicing machine, and I've been having a lot of fun with it and totally digging it. And I always love the combo. If you got a thumb stud and a flipper, man, I'm happy. But this has just been a joy. It's taken the place in my pocket for not beating this one up. I have no problem beating this up. I'm sure it'll laugh at the abuse I'm giving it and take more. So that's it. I'm Ed's Blades. Hope you liked the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.